So this is probably all planned. Yeah. All of this is supposed to be locked right now. All of this is unlocked. It's 10:40 p.m. All this is supposed to be locked right now. There ain't no way that this is a coincidence. Ain't no way. You see, you got a camera right here. You got a camera right here. Don't tell me none of this is coincidence. There's oh boy. Go ahead, come over here and look at me, piece of crap, fat bastard. Now I'll call that security guard. He ain't doing nothing. Apparently not, because these doors are supposed to be locked at 10. See how I feel that free that they feel that they can just run around here making all this type of noise after quiet hours. Quiet hours start at 10 p.m. That's how you know they're sent, because they don't feel any inhibitions about breaking the rules around here. They feel free about it. Security guard ain't up here yet.